page, Leanne. So I'm here today with another video. This is another DIY. I'm always coming up with some type of DIY, y'all, or searching stuff and finding out ways to clean or do your hair or just whatever it may be. So I ended up looking up this one. Well, I actually ran across a video. Then I started Googling and searching more, and this is what it came up with: a DIY to clean your car seats, or even like you could also use this on your carpet if you have stains on your carpet as well. So, all I'm using is 1 cup of white vinegar. You can use 2 cups, 3 cups, however much you want to use. I'm actually going to end up using 2 cups later on, and that's just to add more to make sure I had enough. I'm going to end up using 1 tablespoon, well, 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So you want to use 1 tablespoon to every 1 cup of white vinegar that you use. So I found this is just the easiest way to add the baking soda in and not having to try to ease it in and make a mess. So I just add a little bit. It is going to fizz. That's another thing. You don't want to fill your bottle all the way to the top because it will just end up fizzing out when the baking soda hits in the vinegar. So here it is when I finish up and how it should look. I'm going to end up adding a few drops of dish soap. You can also use a few drops of washing powder as well. And then I'm just going to give it a nice little shake, but not too extreme. I was actually embarrassed, y'all, when I found out my car seats had gotten this dirty. So, y'all don't think I'm dirty because I'm actually a really, really clean person. But I swear car seats are like the last thing on my mind. Y'all, so this is my passenger seat. It is pretty bad off, y'all. I know. Um, Honestly, I have no idea what spilled or who spilled what and did not tell me. I'm not too sure. But my back seat, what's crazy is looks the same way, and it's actually only water on my back seat. We got a busted pack of water, put it back there from the grocery store. By the time we got home, we realized one of the waters was busted and my seat was soaked from that one bottle of water. So we're gonna go ahead and try to scrub this off. I've seen that this mixture works on pretty much any type of stain. So I'm just gonna get my camera set up. So all you want to end up doing is spraying basically a section at a time, a good amount. And I'm doing this while my son is at school because I am hoping by the time I go pick him up, this is dry. Like I said, I'm just spraying a section at a time, making sure that I'm getting it pretty soaked. And what's crazy is I already see this lifting, whatever it is, so I do not think this was just water. I have some stains here, so I'm just going to go all out and try to remove all of these stains. So I'm going to let my passenger seat just sit for the moment and move on to my driver's seat. As you can tell, it is not too bad. So I'm just going to spray the area that does have a little stains. I'm going to let this one sit while I go back to the passenger seat and let y'all see what's going on over there now. So just from letting this one sit, it has already lifted most of whatever that was. I know y'all seen that all in this area. And a lot of people are going to say, okay, that's just because the seat is wet. So I'm just going to go ahead and begin to scrub it with a white washcloth and let y'all see the finished results. So one thing that I realized is you have to scrub the seat pretty hard As you can tell, that lifted all that dirt off the seat. I was going in the house in between the seats and letting just rinse out with warm water and bringing it back out. You could use other washcloths. Okay, y'all, so now time for this back seat. I know I told y'all this was the worst. Like, this is literally where all the bottled water ran to. So I guess the way it was tilted, all of it just absorbed into that area. But I'm going to show y'all how this is going to look. I'm going to do the same process that I did to the front seats, and I'll be back to show y'all. So this is pretty much how it looks when I am done. It is still wet and I'm going back in spraying a few more spots before it does completely dry. One thing you want to do is be sure to leave your window down so it can air out, and park in the sun is definitely a good thing. I would say this definitely works. Yes, definitely. So if you haven't tried it, you have a few stains that you're trying to remove, whether it's carpet or car, I would definitely say give this a try. Till next time, I hope y'all like this video. Definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.